Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, have you heard of scraping leads using Google Maps? It's quite a new phenomenon. If you've been doing it manually, which is a feature now, you know how difficult it can be. It's not very fun, and you gotta sit there and copy all the information, maybe write everything down. But what if I told you there's an easier way? That's right, Google Maps Scraper. From our friends at Lead Sniper, we're gonna dive in and check it out right now.
Alright, so it's time for another great demonstration of the Google Maps Scraper from our friends at Lead Sniper. Today we are searching for marketing agencies in New Mexico and social media marketing in the other one in New Mexico. So we're going to get started here and show you how this works. Bang. And you're just going to do that, boom, boom, and it's going to do all the hard work for you. Now, you can sit back, do what you got to do. Maybe take the dog out for a run. Maybe you got to get the kids to soccer practice, start dinner. Doesn't matter. This program's going to run in your background seamlessly and easily. And the cool thing is that if you have Google Chrome open, once it downloads, you can download as an XLSX or CSV, and you can just drag and drop. Pretty simple, pretty cool, just right there in your folder. Go to your download folder, boom. See that? Boom, drag, drop, boom. Go to the other one, drag, drop, boom. It's going to open as a Google Sheet. Now, you're going to get all the contact information you could want. The email address, the phone number, physical address, the website domain, the owner's name, all the contact information you could require, all the social media, the Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever you want. And I got to tell you, I've been using this tool. It's been saving me time and money, helping me get some high-quality leads for my video marketing business, and it's been doing really well. So, let's talk about it. So, you can get started with a free trial, which is really cool, so you can see how it works and how effective it is. But you also get 24/7 software and technical support, which is amazing. I'm one of the happy 12,000 customers. Look at all the awesome statistics there. And you can check out what some Lead Sniper customers have to say right here with some testimonial videos. Very cool. Now, this program is fast, seamless, and easy to use, and anybody can get the hang of using this software. It's not very difficult at all. It's going to save you time and money. You're going to get comprehensive data, and you can see how it works here as well. Some use cases, screenshots, scraping from over 60 plus fields with unlimited leads from Google Maps. I really want to hone in on that, but I want to talk about something else here real quick with you guys for a moment. So the Lead Sniper products can easily scrape email addresses, which users can then use for their cold email outreach, which is really awesome. But also you have all of these tools that are going to save you time. They're going to eliminate manual searching and really help businesses or marketers easily find targeted leads to grow their network and reach potential clients more easily, okay? And we do have some new pricing packages we're going to go into, so let's do that right now. All right, so here we are on the pricing page. Premium lead generation tools, come down. You can check out more simple, transparent pricing. Okay, now the cool thing is that base price is still $149 for one license key. Now this applies to all of the different soft, okay? Whether it's the Yellow Pages Scraper, Google Maps Scraper, Google Search Scraper, does not matter. This applies across the board. So you could scale with enhanced pricing, which we are going to get into here right now as well. So let's talk about that. Okay, so the pricing packages are awesome. Now remember, with the Google Maps Scraper, you're going to get unlimited leads from Google Maps, but the base price is still $149. But the more you and your team buy a license key and products, the more discounts you're going to receive. For example, let's look at these more license key discounts down below. So 10 licenses, $700 for a total savings of 47% off. 20 licenses, $1,728 for a total savings of 58% off. 30 licenses, $2,906, $2,906, total savings 65% off. Or 50 licenses, $5,215 for a total savings of 70% off. That is amazing. We also have our enhanced team licenses, so you can have 5 to 30 users, 35 to 62% enhanced volume discounts, priority technical support, custom training sessions, which is awesome, and you can pay your way with a credit card, PayPal, or crypto. We also have our enhanced enterprise solutions right over here. 30 plus users or more, up to 70% enhanced bulk discounts, dedicated account manager, custom workflow setup, and you can pay with a credit card, PayPal, or crypto. If you want to contact them for bulk pricing, you can do so as well, and you can check out what Lead Sniper customers have to say down here as well with some testimonials. Okay, so get it today, guys. I love all three of these products. They've been rocking my business. We'll see you in the next one.
All right, so right on, you saw how amazing Google Maps Scraper is from our friends at Lead Sniper with that demo and the video I just did. So click the link down below. Get started with it today with the free trial, 24/7 support, and generate unlimited leads using Google Maps. Click the link. Get started today.